halfway there, I guess, you know. Check it out on this book tour. My new t-shirts. Spreading the love all over the UK, you know what I mean? International, you know. Check it out, you know. If you want, just hit me up, you know what I mean? I can tell you how to be like me, you know what I mean? Because I know a lot of you motherfuckers want to be like me too, you know what I mean? We can't forget that, but, you know, all in time, you know what I mean? Take notes from all, you know? Still mapping it on myself, so, you know what I mean? You can't get ahead of the key, you know what I mean? But, bang. You know, make sure you like and subscribe, get my t-shirts, check out the unbox. You know what I mean? Real thing, you know? Live action. Yeah, also in the books, I just want to point this out that I use people's real names. So you gotta read the book, you might read about yourself, me to read about somebody you know what I mean? Or everybody in Bermuda, I talk about everybody in the books, bro. Everybody's name gets used. It ain't no fucking hiding, you feel me? Alright? Check the story out, it's all real, people love it. Check out my reviews on Amazon, you know what I mean? Check out that Janelle Darrow, you know? Bang. Redemption.
His voice is so
Amazon.
deep. George Ezra, acoustic shotgun on Virgin.
Brian and Kid, Bermuda Bookstore, Kindle.
First is James Arthur.
Bang. See my boat right there on my shirt, you know? Big up.